This time I will present to the advanced presentation skills, how to use PowerPoint and with professionally. So this introductions of the Barclay Training Center is the best institute in Qatar. This is different courses offered right now. It's the Microsoft Office, Advanced Excel, Power BI, Accounting Combo, right? So the first part is called zooming. This is one picture, but how to highlight the specific area of this picture. You like this one, right? So this is the first part of this one. And second part, if you would like to present us another area of the room, like this dining table. What is the third part of this one is your sitting with sofas, and third part is come back your pictures and the full picture like this one, right? The second part, how to introduce your management team with the different way, interesting way. You don't put picture like this static way. There is another way you can see this is a group photo. You would like to highlight specific picture with name, like this one. This is the first part, it's called Lara. What is the second introduction management member is called the William. What is the third part of this one is called the Mary, and next is the full team. What is the next part is called your animation charts with category wise, like this. Don't show static chart. So this advanced presentation skills like this one you can present. So Barclay is the best institute in Qatar. You should be enrolled and learn new things and enhance your skills, like this one. What is the third part of this one? How to show your video like this way. How to create your own template and how can show your videos on the backward side. So that is also customized animation with morph. In fact, that is called hierarchy chart, using the different techniques, that is using the tools of the smart art. I will guide you how I can do this one is quickly. So that is the, thank you very much. So that is the advanced presentation skills.